futures pointing to another up day. I actually thought that we would be weaker today. Boy, was I wrong. We're probably boosted off some decent Chinese numbers. Let me get the exact what we're talking about here. Which is, I mean, like yesterday, it's like, where do you reach? But, the Shanghai Composite was up 2.6%. Beijing encouraged local governments to use special bonds for infrastructure projects to try and spur economic growth. Whatever that, it is just a race to the top